In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an invoice. If you have ever needed a simple, professional invoice for a client or customer, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, we will use a built-in set of templates, so you do not have to start from scratch. You will be able to pick a design, open it quickly, and then you can customize it with your own details. First, click the File tab on the ribbon. This is usually located at the top of the screen, and it is the button that opens the backstage view of the program. When you click it, you should see options for creating, saving, and managing documents. Take a moment to make sure the File menu is open because the next actions depend on being in the correct area. Next, click New to open templates. After you click New, you will typically see a page that includes template categories, sample documents, and a search area for finding the right type of form. This step matters because it is where the program lets you browse ready-made layouts. Instead of building an invoice from empty pages, you will start with a design that already has the correct formatting. Now type invoice into the search bar. You will want to make sure you are searching for exactly that word, because the template gallery will use your search terms to filter results. As you type, watch for the search field to accept your text. If the search bar shows that your entry is being recognized, you are on the right track. After you enter the word, press Enter to load available designs. When you do this, the program should bring up a list of invoice templates that match your search. At this point, you may see multiple styles, such as simple invoices, more formal business invoices, or versions that include different layout options. This is the part where you choose the look that fits your needs. Once the designs are displayed, double-click your preferred template to open it. Double-clicking is important because it signals that you want to open the template file itself, not just preview it. After you open it, you should see a new document based on that template. You will likely notice areas for things like the invoice number, date, bill to and bill from information, line items, totals, and possibly a payment section. When your template opens, take a brief moment to scan the page and get comfortable with the layout. Look for the fields that are meant to be edited. Even though you are not adding your information yet in this specific tutorial, it helps to confirm that the template contains everything you need. A good template should already be arranged so that the invoice is readable and organized. If you want to switch designs, you can do that by returning to the templates screen and repeating the selection step. However, if you already see a layout that fits your style, you can continue from here with customization in your own time. The key thing you have done so far is selected the right base document, which saves time and ensures proper formatting. To recap, you opened the File menu, went to New to access templates, searched for invoice, loaded the available designs, and opened the one you liked best. That is the foundation for creating a clean, professional invoice without the extra work of building everything manually. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.